A new phone scam is targeting stay-at-home job seekers. Here's what's happening. People are receiving calls that say they can make lots of money working from home with Amazon. Then they're directed to a website to register online, but it's not legit. I called one of the numbers that the recorded messages came from and got a fraud alert on my phone. The phone call never went through. Next, I went to one of the websites that the recorded messages are sending people to, and this is clearly not Amazon's official job site. These are just a few of the bogus websites we found. When you visit the websites, you see the same fake news article. It claims that you can make up to $14,000 a month while working as much or as little as you want, starting with just 1 or 2 hours a day. Keep reading and you'll see testimonials that are totally fake. There's even a picture of Amazon founder and CEO Jeff Bezos that says, "We need your help." It looks like these websites are trying to get people to give up their personal information and purchase work-from-home kits. Don't fall for it. If you're looking for a legitimate work-from-home job with Amazon, go to amazon.jobs. That's the official website. And for more information on this and other scams, go to clark.com.